Hey folks, good morning. Thanks for joining again for another episode of D-Ray's Garage. Today, we're going to teach you a little bit about lighting. Maybe not the most automotive related item in the world, but I promise you with light, things get better. And that said, Google, turn on D-Ray's Garage lights.
You got it. Turning D-Ray's garage lights on.
Yep, I just did that. Stick around, you'll find out how. Not sure whether it's going to show up on camera or not, but encountered a slight mystery of light. So we have a very poor studio. So this is the one, and I don't want to call it the one and only light, but let's just say after this guy goes out, it gets pretty dim in here. All right, I'm not going to do a traditional unboxing, just play a game of what's in the box. So this is what the light fixtures look like, and this is what's contained in the box. These are from Hypericon T5 integrated light fixture, 22 watt equivalent on a 4-foot length. You get the power cord, you get a close connector cord and hanging fixtures. Because of the lightweight nature of these, I am thinking about double-sided sticky tape or a thick tape, we'll see. These are the more elongated connectors on the right, and then on the left here, you can see this is probably for some kind of hardwired application. This is the branding. Came in a 4-pack from Amazon for about $60. Forgive me as I turn you around. So I'm gonna lay this out on the ground, then lay it out in the air. All right, so 8 of these bad boys are now unpacked and laid out in such a way as to 1, accommodate where the power is, and 2, create a W. Well, gotta love spelling your last name W-R-A-Y. Anyways, not something you'll all have to deal with, but I'm thinking that's gonna be enough coverage. Probably in a perfect world, I should have bought a few more of these. Don't think it's gonna matter too much. I think we're gonna get the light rays I was looking for. So. I want to tell you my GoPro cut me off 7/8 into the project. I'm no mathematician, but when I've got 7 bulbs up and 1 to go, I can do that math. So let me drop the garage door. Obviously I'll show you some before and afters, but I'm sure you're all just completely bewildered by the genius of the W up there, which I'd love to say was planned, but was heavily influenced by the location of the power up there. So we have much more light in here. I'll obviously do some side-by-sides. And the next step, because for the time being, only way to turn those bad boys off is by switch up there. I'm going to put in a smart plug, a motion sensor, hit up Google Home and Samsung Smart Things, and cross my fingers. Okay, Google, turn on D-Ray's garage lights.
Sure, turning on D-Ray's garage lights.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is like finding money. So that was the pièce de résistance. I've got a little plug switch in there. It's not pretty, I get that, but it's effective. So I've got a little smart outlet connected to Google Home and connected the system to Google Home, so now I can give verbal commands. I don't need this on all the time, so kind of flaking out on the motion sensor, given that was not proving too promising for me. But maybe I'll fight that battle another day, but I just don't know that it's necessary. So alrighty, well that concludes another episode of D-Ray's Garage. Please subscribe, like, do all the cool stuff below. Helps justify the time I spend on this, and hopefully continue to make your lives better, especially your garage lives. Look behind me, 2 cabinets. They will soon become unsheathed and released to the world. I hope you're looking forward to that episode. I'm certainly looking forward to getting those bad boys out of there and get all my garage stuff put together. And slowly but surely we'll work our way to a car, I promise you. Catch you next time. Bye now.